How to make money from Facebook in 7 smart ways in 2020. Apart from sharing selfies and receiving those notifications, you can get paid to use Facebook. You can earn money online from Facebook in various ways. One of such ways is to sell a certain number of likes with a price tag. Facebook equals money. You can get paid for selling Facebook page likes. But this way you will not always earn the same amount as it is shown here. I have seen people selling 1,000 likes in 20 United States dollars. Your earning depends on the demography you are targeting and type of client you can get. There are certainly other ways to make money on Facebook by which you can earn much better amount. Although some of them require initial investment, either monetary or time, but you will get a lot of money in return. 1. Earn money through Facebook page. A Facebook page has the potential to earn as much as $1 billion. The Indian startup InShort was first started as a Facebook page which later became a startup for sharing any news article in 60 words. To earn money from a Facebook fan page, first you must create one. And then follow this small guide. How to earn money from Facebook page. Step 1. Find a niche. You must be clear from day one that you have to make money from your Facebook page. For that, you must know the potential of a niche which will help you to earn money and your interest in the topic. For example, an affiliate marketing fan page will generate a decent earning from websites like Amazon. Earning from a Facebook page is not a fortnight work. It is also important that you must have the basic knowledge about the field so that you can create content for your fans and inspire other people to like your page. Step 2. Publish content on your Facebook page. Start sharing content. Your content should be such that people read, watch and share. Facebook pages are said to have a low organic reach and people often forget you if you are not consistent. You must have a pre-written pool of content. Also, you should schedule your posts so that if you are busy somewhere, your page will still keep running. You can schedule your social media posts with apps like Buffer and Hootsuite. Step 3. Make relationship. In marketing, relationship building is compulsory. You will get your first payment from collaborative promotions or as sponsored posts. Sponsored post means that you get paid to write and post about a brand on your Facebook page. Or, you can make money by posting links of other brands. Step 4. Make more money. If you have a decent fan base and have developed a name in the town, you can apply to the affiliate programs to earn more money. Few famous affiliate providers are ClickBank, CJ, ShareASale, Amazon, etc. 2. Sell products on Facebook to make money. You can use Facebook's Make an Offer feature to earn money by selling products. Put the link of your product in the link box and give a coupon code to offer a discount on the product. You can also use an affiliate link from any e-commerce site and attach a coupon code, not necessary if the company does not offer a discount. Your fans will buy the product from your link and you will earn money through the affiliate. You can put the paid links on Facebook from any of the websites, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, or whichever provides a commission on their earning. Earn more on offers by promoting on Facebook. 1. Give an attractive offer like 10 to 15% discount or buy one get one free. Your offer should be competitive or better than your competitors. 2. Promote this offer with Facebook paid ads. Or, involve influential Facebook pages or people to promote your offer. 3. Freelance Facebook marketer earns well. You can earn $50 per hour by becoming a freelance Facebook marketer. The skills required to become a freelance Facebook marketer are: analyze Facebook stats. You must be able to predict with data analysis which type of posts work better on which day of the week. Marketing can become successful only if we are able to measure the stats. Like Google has their analytics for websites, Facebook has its own analytics for pages. Ability to make marketing strategies and decisions. A marketing campaign cannot be successful without a strategic planning. An effective marketer knows what will be the results of a campaign at the end of the month. Ability to create a Facebook-friendly content. For example, posts with 40 characters on Facebook get 86% more engagement. You must know which type of content works better in a situation. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Other ways to make money on Facebook. 4. Become an influencer. You can also earn money becoming an influencer with your normal profile. If posts on your Facebook wall get decent likes and comments, becoming an influencer is a good way to earn money. Also, if you have a fan following and you interact with them through your personal profile, then you can make money by signing up through an influencer account on blogment.com or Promote.com to start earning. After signing up, you will be required to fill a form where you will enter your profile information and you can fix price as an influencer. For example, you may charge $5,000 per Facebook post giving emphasis to a brand. You would also like to read Best Online Business to Start from Home. Number 5. Earn money through Facebook apps. You can earn money by becoming a Facebook app developer. Or, you can develop a Facebook app independently. In your app you can earn money by applying for banner ads, or you can sell virtual goods of your own or from some gaming companies like EA, Zynga, PopCap, etc. Number 6. Earn money by account selling. You can earn money by selling your old Facebook accounts. Earlier it had become a trend to make more than one account. But now marketers are buying those accounts for their promotional purpose, as Facebook gives more weightage to an old account. Similarly, you can sell your old Facebook group or page with a good number of fan base. 7. Earn money from Facebook group. You can make a Facebook group. Try to make a group with more than 10,000 members and a good engagement in conversation around a niche. Keep the members engaged with relevant questions, blog posts, images, polls, etc. You can earn money on Facebook group by paid surveys, sponsored content, selling your own product, book, services, affiliate marketing. Over to you. Making money from Facebook is a little tricky. Facebook does not allow organic promotion to a large number of fans. But the trick here is, if you can keep your audiences engaged, you can win the organic reach to a much larger extent. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.